Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my collard green and smoked neck bones. Okay, I have like 6 bunches of collard greens right here, and I have like 4 pounds of smoked neck bones up in here. Okay, I just set them on top because I ain't got nowhere else to put these greens. So let me go ahead and just show you how you got to cut these up. So you just grab your stack of them. They're going to be wet. And if you got something loose like at the bottom like that, then just grab you another one and place it back there. Okay? Now, you can roll them up like this or the other way, like this. Okay, you just rolling them just like this, just like Grandma used to do, guys. And I will leave a link to my other recipes on the greens. This is all you're doing, just like this. You can cut them in strips like that, just like that, or you can come down the side like this. Depends on how you want to do yours. Just like that, and just chop. Alright, so I'm just showing you roughly how I do mine. You don't want a big leaf, and you do want to wash these mugs at least 2 to 3 times. Now I wash mine in a little vinegar and salt. Okay, sometimes I use dish detergent as well. You know, that's why you wash it like 3 times. Okay? So, okay, that should be good enough. So, anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish chopping up these, and I'll show you the neck bones, and we'll start putting this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with these greens. I did find me a pot to put it in, my pressure cooker pot. So that's those right there. Here's my neck bones. They already been washed and cleaned up in there. It's like 4 pounds of those. Now this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some of this bouillon, or you can use about 3 or 4 bouillon cubes, and or you can use this Knorr chicken flavored bouillon. I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of that in here because I got other seasoning going in here. So I'm just gonna put a little teaspoon now, just like that, guys, because I gotta use the rest of this for my dressing. All right, now you can use an onion if you choose to do so. I would suggest you put this in there like an hour. I mean, not an hour, but like a half an hour before it get done. Okay. I have right here some cloves of garlic right there, and I will go ahead and put those in there. So I'm just going to do like this, get them out the shell. They ain't got to be pretty or none of that stuff. But we're going to get it or give it a rough chop. Okay? It don't have to be pretty. You just don't want no one biting in a big old chunk of garlic. Okay? That's why we give them a rough chop. And I turn it to the side like so. And go like this. That's right. VELDOGGS collard green and smoked neck bone. Not just for the holidays, for any time you want it. Trust and believe me, you will love it. Because it will break down. Alright. We'll come over here with these right here. See how that's in there? You just want to come in here and put you some greens in here. like that. And sometimes you may have to let this like cook down. Before we do all that, we're gonna go ahead and put our seasoning in here. All right, just halfway through it, and put a teaspoon of salt, just like that. So make that half a teaspoon of salt. You can always season it later, okay, for your own taste. This is garlic, a teaspoon of that. Now you're like, well, you just put 4 garlic cloves. Trust me. Trust me. We're gonna come with a teaspoon of this red pepper flakes. Give it a little spice. Okay. Granulated onion. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of this. All right. Black pepper. Half a teaspoon of this, or a teaspoon, I should say. Since I poured more, didn't I? All right, last but not least, if you got some Mrs. Dash original, this is just organic, no salt seasoning right here. They have all that stuff in there, bell peppers and all type of different stuff in there. But you can use the Mrs. Dash. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of that. Okay. And we just put our rest of our greens and all this stuff in here, and I'm gonna cook this. Let it cook down. I'll shake some of the seasoning. I'm gonna put like a cup with 2 cups of water in here, cold water. I'm gonna let this cook down and put the rest in there. The whole cooking time on this, it should be no more than about 2.5 hours. Okay. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're just gonna go ahead and check on this. This has been like 1 hour and 25 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put our pinch of sugar in here because them greens will get bitter on you. So just take you like a little pinch, just like so. Alright. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our bell peppers in there. Like so. This is like a bell pepper and a half that I'm putting in there. I didn't want it to be overwhelmed, so I just went ahead and went with a bell pepper and a half, a red bell pepper and a half. And it will cook down. And this is optional, guys. I just like a lot of flavors in mine. You don't have to do it, but I'm doing it to mine. It brings a lot of color into your food. So yeah. So we're gonna let this cook for another 1 hour and 20 minutes. I got mine cooking on medium. I'm gonna turn it down to medium low and let it finish cooking. And I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this collard green and smoked neck bones. And I got a little cornbread on the side. I'm going to show you that up close. How that looks, guys. Yep. Just like so. Hot too, I ain't gonna lie to you. So anyway, here's my little cornbread. Nothing special. Drench a little butter and stuff on it. And by the way, if you guys ever want to see me make some cornbread from scratch, just comment down below and I will go ahead and do that for you guys. Okay? Let me set this up. Okay guys, it took me like 2 hours flat to make this collard green and smoked neck bone. So guys, if you like this video, give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit this bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays. And at the end, I will be showing you all the stuff that I already cooked. I got stuff all over here and stuff, man. And some macaroni and cheese and all this other stuff. You know, some ribs, turkey and all that stuff. I'll show you all a clip of that at the end. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's a little setup for my Thanksgiving. There's some yams right here. Collard green with the smoked neck bone. Some ribs and rib tips. A turkey been carved up, set up. That's just right there. It's just some cranberry in the can, so don't come at me. This is the dressing. Potato salad. Macaroni and cheese. We got gravy over there. Of course, you already seen those. The bread. And that's what we looking like, fam.